For me, it was really emotional. It seemed like the fountain, to me, was a bit like the crystalline heart of, I don't know, of him and his practice, because I knew at the fountain is when we get initiated. And that was the core of it all. You know, it's what we're all there for. Yeah, going through the water. And it was beautiful telling each other what all the fountains were for. Like, that was really special because it sort of kept the link going. But coming out of the water and him being there and touching us, and oh God, I could still feel it, touching it, and you know, putting the power into us was one of the most amazing experiences of my life.